Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Connie. Mwah.
We love you, Mwah.
Happy birthday, Tita Connie. I wish you good health, peace of mind, and happiness. Now that you're 18, matanda ka sa akin ng 1 year. So, alam mo naman, 17 pa lang ako. So, 18 ka. I just wish na mas maging masaya ka palagi. At know that I'm always here for you also. Happy birthday!
Hi! Happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday! How does it feel to be a senior citizen? Ang daming libre niya sa Makati, libre sine, may discount sa pamasahe. Anyway, to be serious, as you turn 53, tama ba yun? It is my wish that you did not necessarily grow taller, but grow bigger in spirit. Meaning, as you grow older, maybe may the Lord give you all the blessings so that you will grow in more enthusiasm in serving Him. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. May you have more birthdays to come, and I wish you all the goodness in your life.
May God grant your heart desire. Wishing you a happy and successful life, many, many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
So, kita ko sana bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng kalakasan upang ipagpatuloy niyo po yung paglilingkod sa Kanya. Sana darating pa yung maraming birthday na darating sa buhay. God bless.
Hi Connie, happy birthday. Sayang hindi ka namin kasama sa Bicol. Kaya lang kung kasama namin, ikaw, hindi sana kami makakabidyo dito kasi makakita mo. Bye-bye, happy birthday.
Hello, Tita Connie. Happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come and be strong and yun lang. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Connie. May you have many birthdays to come and God loves you so much. That's all.
Hello, Connie. Nandito kami sa Sipocot, Camarines Sur. Galing kami sa Bicol. Pauwi na kami ng Manila. Kasama ko si Vanchi, si Rosel, si July, at saka si Tintin. Wishing you a happy birthday and may this coming year be a joyous one for you. And God bless. Bye.
Hi, Connie. Ninang Vanchi here. Matagal din panahon na hindi tayo nagkasama. So why? I want you to know that from behind and from afar I can see and your strength, your passion to serve God is something to hold. On this day, your birthday, I wanted to say happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. Good health, peace, love, and harmony in your family. Have a blessed day and enjoy your day.
sa